Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the basics that actually matter. Verify the Xbox shows power and check Xbox live outage notices. Once done, power cycle your modem and router by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug them back in to clear transient faults. Next, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet cable or move close to the router for a quick test. This confirms whether wireless interference is the problem before deeper steps. Run the Xbox network test in settings to capture NAT, DNS, and packet loss details. Write down any error codes. If DNS errors appear, set a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 on the console. For persistent NAT issues, assign a static IP to your Xbox and forward or map ports 53, 80, 3074 and relevant UDP/TCP ranges, or temporarily place the Xbox in the router's DMZ for testing. Also update router firmware and remove duplicate DHCP reservations to prevent address clashes. Reset network settings on the Xbox to clear bad configurations without deleting games. Once reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and rerun the network test. If problems persist, try a mobile hotspot to see whether your home ISP is the issue. This isolates provider routing and DNS. If the hotspot works, contact your ISP with the test results. If not, gather the Xbox error codes and router logs, then contact Xbox support. Provide codes and steps you already tried to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.